Good day and welcome to another Wily Wednesday, which, as you has most probably gathered, is actually coming from the allotment today. And what's it about today? Actually, it's about how you handle your hose. It's something which is really important because your hose, if you don't handle it correctly, can do quite a lot of damage. Now, many people water with watering cans. I do accept that, and we do a lot of watering with watering cans here as well. Many people also like to ensure they're not taking mains water direct from the tap because A, it can be very cold, and B, there is still a lot of chlorine obviously in it. So some people like to fill up a watering can and then let it stand to either get to temperature or get lose chlorine. Yeah, we do that. We've got two big water butts, as I've said. They're actually dustbins. One's a water butt and the other is a dustbin. And we use that. We fill those up and we use the watering cans from there. However, we also do use the hose, particularly in the mornings. And what I found is that if you drag your hose across your bed, you can do significant damage to the crops that you've got in the ground. So how do you mitigate this? Well, when we did the original edged beds on this top plot up here, the corner stations where we screwed the wood together, we didn't actually do them very high. We only did them a little bit bigger than or taller than the depth of the edge bed itself, the plane going over. We only did it a little bit taller than the depth of the edge bed itself. And what happens is it's quite easy then to just drag a hose across and then trample on some of your crops, which is obviously dangerous because you may ruin your crops. When we did some of the older edge beds, which are like where our what do you call them, peppers are over there, and also the beans over there, we made sure that the stanchions of wood that the sides screwed to were 30 centimeters high. And what we find is that when you're dragging a hose around your plot, that 30 centimeters helps keep the hose off the bed, obviously. Now, what do you do if you have no edge beds, or you have edge beds which have no high stanchion points? Well, simply use a piece of bamboo and put that in at the corner. Make sure it's nice and sturdy, and that will actually ensure that your hose, when you drag it around, isn't coming over the edge of your beds and ruining the crops. What you can also do, which we do on one of our beds down here, is we cut the bottom off a plastic cordial bottle and then insert that down. If I just grab this one here. So you cut the top off here and then put this over your bamboo, and this bottle will spin and make it a little bit easier for the hose to go around. Also, because it has this curve in it, the hose will drop down to the bottom, and this will stop the hose going up. So yeah, there we are. We found it really useful. If we were doing, or when, because we will be doing some edge beds at another point in time, we will always make sure that we have the stanchion corner units at least 30 centimeters high. But you know what? If you're growing directly in the ground, as many people do because they prefer it, why not? Or you have edge beds which don't have those stanchion points, then think about sticking a bamboo cane in the corner, possibly using a plastic cordial bottle if you wish to, and that will stop your hose waving across your plot and damaging your crops. Okay, there we are. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching another Wily Wednesday. If you want to put bananas in the comments, please do. And we'll see you soon. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Bye.